Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through how to customize the pagination in the Divi Gallery module with your own text and icons. Enhancing these navigation links not only makes your gallery more intuitive, but also creates a visually cohesive experience that aligns with your site's design. By the end of this video, you'll know how to replace the default previous and next links with personalized text and icons to better guide your visitors. Let's get started. If you're looking for a straightforward way to customize the pagination in your Divi Gallery module, you can use the Pagination Prev Next display options available in the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugins. These tools make it easy to replace the default previous and next links with your own text and icons, creating a more personalized and visually consistent experience for your visitors. Using these plugins ensures your gallery navigation aligns perfectly with your site's style while remaining user-friendly. For more details on these plugins, check out the post linked in the description. To begin customizing your gallery pagination, open the settings for your gallery module in the Divi Builder. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Content tab. Under this tab, look for the Elements section. This is where you'll find the controls and options needed to adjust and personalize your pagination links. Next, let's customize how your pagination links will be displayed. In the Elements section, look for the drop-down option labeled Pagination Prev Next Display. When you click this, you'll see a few choices for how the links are shown. Default, which uses the standard Divi labels. Icon Text, which combines both an icon and text. Icon to display just an icon. Text for only your chosen text. Select the option that best complements your gallery and site design. For many, the icon plus text option works well as it allows you to include both custom text and icons for a more personalized touch. In this step, you'll find fields to customize the text for the previous and next pagination links. Here, you can replace the default Prev and Next labels with text that better matches your site's language or theme. For instance, you might choose something like Go Back and Continue for a more user-friendly or thematic touch. Simply input your preferred terms, and these will be displayed for your pagination links. To make your gallery navigation even more engaging, you can add custom icons for the previous and next links. In the settings, you'll find options to choose icons specifically for these links. For instance, you could use a left-pointing arrow icon to represent previous and a right-pointing arrow for next. These small visual cues can significantly enhance the navigation experience, making it clearer and more visually appealing for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, go ahead and publish your changes. After that, preview your page on the front end to see your updated gallery pagination in action. You'll now have navigation links complete with your custom text and icons, enhancing the look and usability of your gallery. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully customized the pagination in your Divi Gallery module. Now, your gallery not only looks more polished, but also provides a clearer and more stylish navigation experience for your visitors. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.